Gold H1 chart. This time you have trend line tested 3 times, your dynamic support level, and your 5 impulsive wave complete. After that, we are in correction or next impulsive wave. That thing will be clear after breakout of this trend line. Or this can be triangle chart pattern correction. Then you can expect one more wave to upside. In that condition, you can connect upper trend line. Then you can expect final new lower low. But for scalper small trader, this area near 2360 and 2330, these are big static support and resistance level. So not just this high, but below 2360, gold price is bearish on H1 time frame. So this can be your sideways correction, and if this trend line break out, then after this vertical drop, this will be your sideways correction, then again down. But for more clarity for small trader, what can happen if this trend line break out after third retest, or if 2360 level breakout? Because this is small, almost $30 sideways range on intraday H1 chart. On H4 chart, if you see clearly, then this area near 2330, this is your big static horizontal support level, and you can see this level has been tested many times as support and resistance after breakout in beginning of the month. Now price is again testing this level, and this is third retest as a support after breakout. So H1 you have 2360, while H4 price bullish about 2330 level and bearish below 2330. So if this level break out on retest, you will sell and you will target low of the sideways range, that's mean below 2300 level. And if you are still bullish, then wait for clear breakout of 2360 level, because this is third retest of 2330 level. For bullish confirmation, you need breakout of 2360, then on retest you can buy. But again, you have very small sideways range, $30, bearish below 2360, bullish above 2330. So until this sideways correction after vertical top does not break out, there is no trade. And for new entry, you have to wait for breakout. And if this is triangle chart pattern correction, then there can be one more wave to upside. Then retest of a trend line you can sell again and targeting retest of 2300 level. For more clarity, if you watch daily chart, then this is your sideways range and it is happening. And you have again red candlestick on Friday. So market is showing selling pressure above 2400, buying pressure below 2300. So we have to wait how price react to this psychological level. Then we will decide. Next step is AVC flat correction, then to upside, or double top neckline breakout, then to downside. So intraday H1 chart you have 2360 level, H4 chart you have 2330 level. On daily chart you have sideways range below 23 and 2400. So H4 chart giving you clear chart pattern, a trend line tested 3 times. H4 chart giving you clear chart pattern, a static horizontal support tested 3 times, and daily giving you clear chart pattern, a sideways range. If you see weekly chart, now you have two red candlestick. So where price goes, psychology go. So sentiment must be changing after two red candlestick. So how to trade that weekly sideways range, I have explained in detail from H1 to daily chart. So you have to trade weekly setup on H1 chart. Gold monthly chart, you can see not just one but two monthly candlestick showing rejection at 2400 psychological level. It has been 2 months, nobody buying at 2400. They are taking profit or they are selling. We will know by the time of election. But right now you can see 2 month and big rejection by monthly candlestick. So this week you will have new weekly candlestick and new monthly candlestick. And after that Friday closing price for intraday small trader 2288. This will be big static intraday invisible support level. And this will be base for all buy and sell technical entry for scalper below daily chart. Because this new monthly candlestick either it close above 2288 or below this support level, or this can be another hammer, but this 2288 will be big static horizontal support level. Before you see news this week, if you remember Fed speech in April month before second vertical drop, Fed explained in detail what he do in G7 meeting. So watch carefully how FOMC member tone changed after this G7 meeting. Now you have Powell and Jimmy Dimon, both person are saying opposite thing. But for beginner trader, stagflation is long term trend and it is happening since 2018. When price hit 2400 first time, each week at least one bank give bullish forecast. Now UBS Bank again bullish on gold and they have raised their forecast. So UBS Bank is still dancing on music like they said in April month forecast. And your BRICS news are back once again. Same like you saw before this vertical melt up. There is a news physical gold going from UK to India. And second, New York Fed is saying some country are dumping dollar and buying gold. So they are giving clear name of country, not indirectly but directly. New York Fed is talking about de-dollarization. They are talking name of those BRICS country directly. So banks are still FOMO bullish and you have big BRICS bullish news at the same time. But I am still saying sideways range in gold daily chart between 2300 2400. And for your trading H1 and H4 chart clear technical setup. Since monthly and weekly candle are changing, your first news this week, Monday 3 June, manufacturing PMI. Then second news this week, Wednesday 5 June, jobs and PMI number. Service PMI and jobs are both most important this week before FOMC meeting. So on these two news, you will see big price action. So manufacturing are not important and service PMI are super important. More it goes below 50, more good for rate cut. And which is already priced in since November FOMC meeting 2022. And your final and third news this week, Friday, NAP number, but better you focus on unemployment rate. If this UR rate show 4% this week, then this will be big change. So Wednesday and Friday, you have super important news this week, and those news will decide price will test 2300 on daily chart. Price will stay below or above H1 resistance 2360. Price will break out or not that 3 retest of static support 2330. Because if you are come 4% this week, then that will be big change. So for beginner new intraday trader, when all the news side are full of Trump, your H4 trend line breakout now it is testing. After breakout, this is third retest. Your static horizontal support level. Third retest of horizontal support. So right here also 78% last few retracement. So you can see on H4 chart near 2330 level there are multiple support zone, and once this level break out, retest of psychological level and this horizontal support level, last hope for bull, but do not buy before breakout of 2360.